Have you ever wondered what would happen if you stopped eating 3 meals a day and decided to eat just once every 24 hours? It might sound extreme, but millions of people around the world are trying this eating pattern known as the OMAD diet. Some claim it helps them lose weight faster, burn fat more efficiently, and even improve their focus and energy. But what actually happens inside your body when you eat once a day? Does your metabolism slow down, or does your body switch into a powerful fat-burning mode? The truth is that your body goes through several fascinating changes when food intake drops to just 1 meal per day. When you eat your one daily meal, your body immediately begins digesting carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Your blood sugar rises, and your body releases a hormone called insulin. Insulin's job is to move sugar from your bloodstream into your cells so it can be used as energy. For the next several hours, your body relies mostly on the glucose from that meal. During this time, your muscles, organs, and brain are powered by the nutrients you just consumed. But as the hours pass and you stop eating, your body gradually begins to run out of readily available glucose. Around 10 to 12 hours after your last meal, your body begins searching for another source of fuel. Instead of relying on the sugar from food, it starts turning to stored energy. Your liver releases stored glucose, known as glycogen, to keep your blood sugar stable. But glycogen reserves do not last forever. Once those stores begin to drop, your body shifts into a different metabolic state that many people find extremely beneficial. After about 16 to 24 hours without food, your body may enter a state known as ketosis. In ketosis, the body starts breaking down stored fat and converting it into molecules called ketones. These ketones become a powerful alternative fuel for your brain and muscles. This shift is one of the main reasons people experience increased fat burning when they eat once a day. Instead of constantly running on sugar, your body begins to rely more heavily on fat stores for energy. Another interesting change many people notice during this fasting window is a reduction in hunger over time. At first, eating once a day can feel very difficult. Your body is used to frequent meals, and hunger hormones will remind you of that. But after several days or weeks, many people report that their appetite becomes more controlled. Your body adapts to the new eating schedule, and hunger signals may become less intense than before. One of the biggest reasons people adopt the OMAD diet is for weight loss. Eating once a day naturally reduces the number of calories you consume. Most people find it very difficult to eat an entire day's worth of calories in one sitting, so their daily calorie intake drops automatically. When this happens, the body begins using stored fat for energy, which can lead to gradual fat loss. In the first few weeks, some people notice the scale dropping faster than expected, partly due to water loss and partly due to the body burning stored fat. But weight loss is not the only thing happening inside your body. During extended periods without food, your body may activate a fascinating process known as autophagy. Autophagy is essentially your body's internal recycling system. During this process, damaged or dysfunctional cellular components are broken down and reused. Scientists believe this process plays a role in cellular repair and may support overall metabolic health. While research is still ongoing, fasting has attracted significant attention, partly because of its connection to this natural repair mechanism.